If your Google Ads account is suspended, then you should do a detailed audit of your account to look for things that may have triggered the suspension, or maybe they didn't trigger the suspension, but they might be something that would prevent Google from saying yes when they review the appeal of your suspension. And this is something that we do for all of the clients that hire us here at StubGroup to fix their ad account suspensions. And so we put together a guide, an audit guide to what to look for in your Google Ads account that might be a problem. And we have a link to that guide in the description here below this video. So please go check it out. It's completely free. You can download it and follow step by step, looking at things like URLs, ad disapprovals, change history to look for potential compromised issues, all sorts of things that might exist in your account that you might know about, might not, but that could be causing your suspension. So click that link, get that free resource. And then if you want some expert help beyond that in fixing your suspension, please reach out. One of our team members would be happy to have a conversation and discuss your unique situation and how we can get you back online with Google.